Hello, my name is Pranav Kismatra from India. I have developed the displayed website as my final project for CS50 course on Introduction to Computer Science. The project is named as Show Your Work for students to post their work, queries, and extend their network. Students can post, like, and follow other students using this portal. Here, first we will see the login portal where I will log in using the credentials. You can also register for a new user. As I have already registered, I will be logging in. So here, as we see, the main page where I have inserted or posted some posts, and posts from other users are also visible when I have followed them. So there are two other users which I have followed. So here are the 3 followers and 2 following. That's why there are these many posts. If you want to see other students profile, you can just go here and search, and you will see the profile of the user and you can follow them. If you want to see your profile, you can go here and you can see your profile and your posts. Now you can also log out from here. Every time you follow, every time you can also like, and as I have already liked, so you can see this post will come. If this post which I haven't liked is coming, I can like here. See, now it is, the count has increased. You can also change the password, and then finally you can log out. First we'll use this hello world to see. So as you can see here, it is, you can like, and then counter is increasing. So we can log out now. Thank you very much.